my introduction. This is Bill with ApprovedByBill.com. As you can see, I got some scary folks in front of me. And a lot of people who are thinking about applying for a mortgage for the first time also are scared about their credit. So that's what we're here to dispel today, is myths about credit and what we can do to help you get into it.
One thing I can tell you about credit, it's not forever. So no matter where you are and what kind of credit history you had in the past, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to go through some for sure rules today. If you have no credit, we can still get you approved, and they call it a manual underwrite. And what that means is we have to provide a rent rating proof for the last 12 months, plus 2 major utilities. And that can be cell phone, gas, electrical. Those are the type of items we would like. Sometimes we can go to what we call a tier 2, which may be insurance or something like that. But we'd have to look at the overall picture to use that. So with no credit, your underwrite will just be much tighter. So they use tighter debt to income ratio and those kind of things. Now to establish credit, and I'll remind you at the end of this video, just send me an email at approvedbybill@gmail.com, and I'll send you an email where we can establish credit. And the way it works with establishing credit, they call it a secured credit card. So you're not going to spend money you weren't spending anyway, but what you do is you send money to them, and that's what you can charge. And I recommend setting up a minimum of 2. I use 1 for gas only and 1 for groceries only. So it's money you would already spend. Now you're going to pay a fee and potentially interest to use your own money. But what it does is it qualifies you on credit like somebody else that is charging on a credit card and paying it off monthly. So for folks without credit, that's good news. The hard and fast rules with credit is foreclosure. FHA is 3 years firm from the time it went to public trust deed. VA is 2 years with some exceptions on short sale as well as FHA. So if you have a short sale situation, email me or call me and we'll kind of go through that, because if things were kept current, we may be able to shorten it on a short sale. But in general, short sales are treated the same as a foreclosure. On a conforming loan, we're even further out, to let you know. Other fast rules, you need to be 2 years from a bankruptcy discharge on a Chapter 7. Chapter 13, if you've been in the pay plan, you paid on time for a year, and we can get the trustee to approve it, you can qualify to buy a house. So that's some good news. Additionally, other hard and fast consumer credit counseling. You need to be in that for 12 months. Paid on time. So if you have foreclosure, bankruptcy, or consumer credit counseling, it does not stop you from buying a house. Now, additionally, there are 3 credit agencies in the U.S., Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And in my industry, when we're talking about FICO, we're going to get the 3 scores from them, because different folks report to the different agencies. That's why they want to use a blend of the 3, and they're going to use the middle score on the lowest of the co-borrowers. So if you have 2 borrowers, we're going to use the middle score of the lower of the 2 borrowers. So that's how that kind of works. And just to let you know, the magic number is 600 with Guild Mortgage. So if you have a 600 credit score, we can get you into a mortgage. And we can also, we have a team of credit coaches that work with us and technology here to help get you here. And then what percentage of folks actually have a 600 or higher FICO in the U.S.? Bingo, 73%. So 3/4 of you should qualify to buy a house today. So do not let credit scores or other issues stop you from buying a home. So just email me at approvedbybill.com. I'd be more than happy to get you pre-approved, get you information on setting up secured lines of credit, and help you look at your credit and get you analyzed. So do not be scared. That's my message for you today.